Good day, welcome to the Prokon YouTube channel. My name is Michael Klump and I'm a technical support consultant at Prokon. Today I'm going to illustrate to you how to add an alternative bar reversed using Probar 2D. This video will illustrate how to draw an alternative bars reversed by following the AutoCAD prompts. For more information on the parameters of the Add Bar dialog, you can refer to the Probar 2D videos on how to add single and group bars. Select the ABR button in the Type to Add box. Pick the first bar's start and end insertion points. If you have specified a shapecode 37, define the A dimension. Then pick the second bar's start and end insertion points. Then choose the group start and end point. Thereafter, specify the location of the text. Lastly, decide whether or not to reduce the cover of the bar. To ensure that the member's full area has been detailed, click on the Expand Bars button. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.